Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to create a high-converting YouTube thumbnail for your latest ChatGPT tutorial. To make this pop in the feed, we're going to use a professional 16 by 9 layout with a clean, modern aesthetic, so let's get right to it. First, you need to set up the perfect background. Open your favorite design tool like Canva or Photoshop and start with a 1920 by 1080 canvas. Instead of a flat color, apply a vibrant gradient, something like a deep navy blue transitioning into a brighter electric blue. This adds depth and makes the entire thumbnail feel premium and high-tech right from the start. Next, you need to place your branding and text correctly for maximum impact. Take the official ChatGPT logo and place it on the right side of the frame, making it large enough to be recognized instantly even on a small phone screen. On the left side, you're going to add your main hook using Impact Extra Bold font. Keep the text short, usually around 3 to 5 words, and use a high contrast color like bright yellow or white. To really make it stand out, highlight your most important keyword, like the word recover or fix, by giving it a different background color or a bold drop shadow. Then you should consider adding a human element if you want those extra clicks. If you have a clear photo of yourself looking surprised or pointing at the logo, place yourself on the far left or right, making sure your face is well lit and expressive. If you prefer a faceless tutorial style, you can instead add a high-quality 3D icon of a folder or a lightning bolt next to the logo to visually represent what the video is about. And that is it. You now have a professional, clickable thumbnail that is ready to grab attention. If this design guide helped you level up your channel today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creator tutorials. See you in the next one.